I don't feel like this is legal.
Probably not, but. Alright, we are in Tucson, Arizona. It is the middle of March. We are at Saguaro National Forest. We are on the 8 Mile Loop right now. And I'm with her. She is my bubs.
I'm Bubs.
And we are just here for the day in Tucson. So there are tons and tons of hiking trails.
Tons and tons.
Tons and tons. But we don't want to hike today because it's kind of hot and stuff. So we're just going to go. We might get out, go for a little shorter hike. All right, so our goal for this year of 2021 is to go to as many national parks as possible. So we've been to the Grand Canyon. We are in Saguaro National Park right now. We're gonna be going to the Yosemite in less than a month. And I wanna go to Zion. I wanna go to all these other national parks.
And whose car are we taking to all of this?
One with the best miles per gallon.
Exactly.
It's our new Adventure Mobile HRV. Alright, so this is Javelina Rocks. Just a little pull out. Which way do you want to go? This way? Up there? Want to go up here? So what do you think of this day so far?
Very fun. Always fun.
Yeah. So I've never been here before. I always wanted to go. It's about a 2-hour drive from